This exquisiteness is more than just shrimp, and getting it there is our passion. We are Seajoy, and we want to tell you about our day-to-day arduous job that fills us with pride and makes us want to be better every day. Seajoy is a company with over 40 years of experience in the shrimp business, which began in the 70s in South America, specifically in Ecuador. Later, in the mid-80s, it started operations in Honduras and then in Nicaragua. Located in the Pacific, with temperatures and environments that are suitable for our processes, Seajoy has been comprised by different companies that make up our industry and that complement each other to carry out world-quality performance. It all begins with our breeder selection centers, where through exhaustive analysis and a very strict genetic program, we choose the best males and females so that they begin this long journey. Once chosen, they are placed in special tanks, where we ensure that no consanguineous mixtures exist so that they remain genetically intact. We then carry out histopathology analysis, again in order to verify the animal's health. A very important step in our breeding center is that for several years now, we have implemented a non-ablation policy in order to maintain a natural reproduction period and friendly treatment to animals. Copulated females are moved to spawning tanks. The nauplii is one of the first stages. A genetic code is given to newborn animals to maintain our genetic diversity and to track the animals through one of the most robust traceability systems in the shrimp industry. This traceability system allows us to keep a full record of the entire chain, providing one of the greatest strengths at Seajoy. In larvae-pack on the Honduras side and SASA on the Nicaragua side, we specialize in maintaining a biosecure and controlled post-larvae growth system. Our larvae are supervised round the clock, 24 hours a day. They are specially fed with different types of algae developed meticulously in laboratories by our microbiology specialists. When the end of the larval stages is reached, they are transferred to our farms. The Seajoy farms have an annual production capacity of 25 million pounds. These are farms that cover more than 3,000 hectares, prepared on a terrain for which we seek to generate the least possible environmental impact in order to friendly coexist with the ecosystem, the land, and water that are some of our main resources. We ensure to regenerate the area in order to keep a clean and healthy habitat. All the seawater needed to grow the shrimp is pumped through stations strategically located in different points of the farm that feed the pond. This way, the life of the shrimp takes place as naturally as possible. In these farms, the larvae are stocked. Their growth rate depends on customers' orders or projections. We have nursery areas and ponds, and in both stages, the larvae are fed constantly. Our chemicals-free shrimp are given a special NT feed, while the organic shrimp are given organic feed. Seajoy is at the forefront of technology in automatic feeding, which brings many benefits for shrimp growth and the environment. The shrimps raised in these farms are supervised daily throughout their process, where their health and growth is monitored constantly until they reach the size necessary to meet the orders of our customers. Each pond has a unique batch or remission number to not only identify the origin of the animals that are being harvested there, but that will also be useful for tracking the continuity of the process. Once the period in the farms is finished, the shrimp are harvested and transported in containers with suitable temperature conditions to the processing plant. Our plant has an installed capacity of about 30 million pounds of head-on shrimp per year. It is located in one of the most important cities of the country and in a strategic point for the rest of the processes. It all begins there with the reception of the shrimp, where food safety and quality control specialists review the conditions of the product prior to entering the plant. Once they are weighed and marked with their respective record, some samples are taken out to be analyzed by the quality control team, who observe their color, smell, size, weight, and taste. Then they go directly to the heading area, a manual process where a large group of specialized collaborators carry out this work. Within the correct handling in Seajoy, no waste is produced, so the heads and shells are transformed into meal to feed other species. The tails go through a second cleaning stage and passed immediately to the classification point, where they are separated by size. This helps us meet the needs of our customers. From this stage on, the shrimp presentations are defined because we have a wide range of products and are open to satisfy the demands of new orders, including our specialty in-cooked product. The others will depend on the type of value added requested by the customer. Our cooked product and its requested cut is then salted in special containers and at specific temperatures. It is then moved to the cooking room, where the ovens vary temperature according to the needs of each product, and it is supervised by a quality control specialist and then frozen at a suitable temperature. All of our products go through a sensitive and efficient metal detector system after being packaged. Good practices taught us the way to grow, but doing things with excellence has led us to reach very important markets, position ourselves among the best, and carry on with the encouragement to learn and further improve ourselves every day. From the training and correct treatment of our collaborators to the smallest detail in the quality of each step that our industry requires. For all this, we are 4 stars Best Aquaculture Practices Standard certified by BAP, AA certified by BRC, and MSC Chain of Custody certified. We are also the only company in the region with an organic product certification label. We would not be the company that we are without having qualified human resources that are passionate about their work. We enjoy doing what we do, and we enjoy discovering new ways and implementing them. We are constantly seeking to innovate and reinvent ourselves in order to satisfy each and every need from our demanding clients. Seajoy is a company that generates around 1,900 direct jobs and somewhere between 4,000 and 5,000 indirect jobs per year. Therefore, we create an important productive environment for the community. We are an economic engine for the country, and we also ensure to responsibly return to the inhabitants our contribution for their development. Helping to build schools, implementing mangrove regeneration programs in the areas, as well as annual turtle release programs that we carry out together with children for the community. We currently export around 12.5 million pounds of shrimp per year to Europe and North America, and we are in the process of expanding to other countries in those regions. As we said at the beginning, the shrimp is an exquisite snack that has a high number of specialists behind it who put in their work to make it the best of the best. That is how every day at Seajoy is going to be.